Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. No, you're not seeing double. Basically, I am doing a first impressions on this foundation and concealer. If you're interested, I will link it down below. I'm going to try to put them up the same day or at least back to back. But I saw these, I had to order them, I got them literally super fast. So this should be a short video, but Airspun has brought out loose face highlighters. You guys know that I love the Airspun to set, so I'm super excited because they did bring out 3 shades. So I wanted to make a video for you guys just on these highlights because they are less than $6. I believe they were $5.97 each, of course. But that is a lot of highlight in here, and you guys know that with loose highlight, it lasts you such a long time. You guys, I've had this face setting powder for so long, but I'm hoping that it's just as like buttery and smooth, and that's why I wanted to make a video just on the highlights. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up so we can start swatching and then see which one I'm going to actually put on. Okay guys, and I do just quickly want to say that when I say new, I mean new like new, I mean they say new, but I think they've been out for a couple months at least. But they just came up randomly on, again, a random ad on my newsfeed somewhere. You know, my FBI agent got me, like, we're tight. So they all come with a little powder puff. Now, I did go back to the Walmart website, and it does say that you could use this to set your makeup or perfect your makeup, or you could use it as a foundation on its own. I would not use this as a foundation, but maybe what they are trying to say is you could totally lightly rub this under your foundation and it's going to give you that glow effect. And what I mean by that is, you guys know about the like Cover FX drops. People mix it with their foundation. You're putting in the slightest amount. This is not, I'm not the company, but this is not foundation. Like, you do not want to look like that all over your face. So I'm going to use it as highlighting wherever I highlight, but other than that, realistically, no, this is not a foundation. I'm just putting it out there. Okay, so I did open them up. I'm going to go ahead and rub it on my finger for you guys so you guys could see. So first I'm going to do the 2 like wearable shades, and I say wearable because one's a little bit really light, but you have to remember when you're going with the brush, you're like feathering it on. You're not like packing it on as much as it is here. So this is the color Glow for Gold, and I'm just going to rub it right here for you guys. So it's like a more golden highlight. And up next you have Snow Much Ice. Snow Much Ice. So this one's clearly going to be more icy, more of a cool tone highlight. Now, I don't want you guys to see these swatches and be like, oh my god. But you see what I mean? You can't put that all over your face and call it a foundation. It's a highlight. You're going in with the brush and you're going in lightly. You're feathering it on. That's it. Up next we have Pink Me Up. This is their like fun shade. So this one is going to be, whoa, I just spilled that. Obviously more pinky, and it's looking like this, and then swatching like that. It is a beautiful color. So all 3 are really gorgeous. Obviously I would just suggest to go in there lightly. So I think I'm going to go in with the first one and the second one. I'm just going to mix a little bit of both, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight with it. And going in lightly. That looks gorgeous. You guys, they're like super soft. They feel just like the translucent powder. And as you can see, a tiny bit is going to go a long way. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I had to share these with you guys because you guys can't beat that less than $6 price. I just had to share these with you guys because I live for the translucent powder. You guys, it like melts into your skin, and I feel like it's the same with this highlight. It's not looking chunky or anything like that. So to me, this is definitely more of that like glow within if you take it in carefully, but you could easily go in here and build it up as super intense as you want it to be. I'm already making a mess, you guys, with it though. You just want to remember that it does not have anything, so if once you put the lid on it and let's say you store it and you move it around a little bit, it's gonna come out, so you always just want to tap and make sure you get most of it off the lid. That way you can open up the product. But yes, guys, so first impressions, heck yes. I love these highlighters. You guys, you get quite a lot in these little containers. And then there is those 3 shades. I did get mine from Walmart.com. I'm not sure if you can get them anywhere else, but yes, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face, put a little blush on. I'm gonna spritz it, and then you can see how it looks just laying normally. And you guys, this foundation, check out that other video, I'm telling you. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and I set my face completely. The highlight just kind of like melted into the skin. You guys, I live for these highlights. Check them out. I will link them down below. You have 3 colors. You don't need the pink one if you don't want it. But the other 2, I would definitely say if you're in the middle, you might have to get both if you don't like having a darker highlight. I'm the type of person that if I like something, I use it. But that's just me. Other than that though, they do only have 3 shades, but like I said, I'll link them down below. Check them out. They're like $5.97. They're super creamy and like thin and airy. I love it. If you're wondering, on the lips, I just put the Alamar Cosmetics lip liner in the color Coqueta, just like very lightly. But that's all. So I will link them below. Check them out. And that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short, quick video. If there's anything else you want me to try, let me know down below. And I will let you guys go for now. Don't forget, share my videos, subscribe, you know, all that stuff. I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios!